Now I've bought this compressor and it came with these hoses on the side, and every time you turn it on these hoses blow off, and the ones that they sell you are made out of steel. But what I've got is I've got these ones. Yeah, I already made this one. Right. This one I've already made. This one here. Both of them were black pipe like this. It's ridiculous. It just blows up whenever it builds pressure, and you can't have that. The one that they sell you is made out of steel, a very mild steel, and you have to bend it yourself, and usually end up breaking it when you come and bend it. So I'm making up my own. Okay, and I'll take you along the way that see that this one here is the shortest pipe. So what we'll do is we'll proceed with this one. Okay. Okay, since this one is the shorter one, just make sure you can see it. Let me see. Yeah, okay. I'll put this in first. And then I'll go to 1/2 inch over here. Oh, the screws come off. Okay. See. So what I do is I begin with the shorter one. Then what I do is I put that in here. See? I'll leave about 2 mil out. Push this right out of the way. Alright. That's all you need, about 2 mil. Alright. Tighten this over here first. It looks a bit too much. Let me see. About there. This copper pipe is rated about 1,100 pounds, but the things that's weak is these. But you're way over 100, so you don't have to worry too much. Okay, let's put that on. This. Put it on there. Alright. What we're doing now is just flaring it. This is copper, it's nothing serious, you know, pretty weak. But it's strong enough for what I need, better than the plastic hoses and all that. Now let's just flare that. Okay, there we go, we flared that up. That's in there. Let's just do it a bit more. That should do. Alright, now take that out. Okay, that's flared up now. Now this is the shorter end. Alright, so I'll come about here, about as close as I can. And what I'm doing here is I'm bending this at 90 degrees. Once that hits there, that's 90 degrees. That's it, that's 90 degrees, there's the mark. Okay, now that we've bent it, I'll get back to you. What we'll do now is we'll cut it a little bit big, and then we'll measure. Only wasting a bit of copper. This whole copper pipe is about 27 bucks. Does about 4 or 5 of these. You're not going to need it. I'll just come here like so. And I'll show you what I'm doing. Just sort of like, I'd say about there. So what if I'm wasting a bit? Just keep going very lightly, don't push any pressure on it, just tighten up a bit. Okay, clean that up a bit. Not necessary because this is not the one we're going to use. I'm just going to go measure what I need, and I'll come back, then I'll flare it. Okay, back in a second. Now this has to be cut about there. I'll give it a bit more. just in case. It's easier to do it out of better material, like, because it's hard to do these fittings. But I'd rather spend the time do it out of this than just go round and round. Do a bit more. Let's clean up the inside of this. Okay, you make sure you put this in first. Then we want to flare up this side over here. Let's put that in there. Have about 2 mil out. Okay. A bit more out. I always tighten this side first. Here. The closest one. Because otherwise you're going to have problems tightening it. Then you... That should do that. Press the fitting. And we put that there. See the fitting? Should be a bit tighter, but can't be bothered. It's good enough. That should do. This is very tough copper pipe. No, this isn't the cheap stuff. The ones in rolls, don't ever buy it. It's too weak. Okay. Here's a new one now. Solid copper. Had to bend it a bit here, but those little kinks aren't going to do any difference. The leaks now. Cost me all up about $30, but I don't have those stupid steel stuff. I'll just get back here. Here's the compressor at full pressure. Nothing's leaking. Pipe gets hot. But this one's working really good. This one, let's see this one. Not very good this one, but it's still working. I might have to take this head off and rebuild this head like I did this one. Whenever a compressor stops, you must hear that. That means it releases the pressure off the heads. So when it starts to stop, it doesn't put a strain on the engine. So always listen to that when a compressor. This is leaking, but I don't need that. It gets connected to my system. Okay, thank you for watching.